A loop allows you to execute a section of code over and over again.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
A loop allows you to execute a section of code over and over again. A loop allows you to execute a section of code over... Okay, I'll stop now. Loops are important programming structures. Almost every program operates in an execution loop. For example, a word processor waits for the user to type a letter or enter a command, processes what's been entered, and then waits again. You can think of dealing cards in a poker game as a series of loops nested within each other. We're going to look at two different kinds of loops available in the Python programming language in this section: while loops and for loops. They accomplish the same thing, but with a slightly different syntax. The activity in this section will be useful for all of you who like to save money. We're going to write a program that calculates compound interest over a term. You'll be able to figure out how long it'll take you to get rich and learn to use loops in this section. Let's get moving.